Hi, my name is Andrea and I am a UX design student at Career Foundry. As part of the immersion course, I designed an application called Booba. Booba is a community that connects pregnant women with one another so that they can feel supported along their journey through motherhood. And there are three key functionalities of the app that I would like to walk you through today. And so I will be walking you through three task flows. So first of all, I want you to imagine that you are 5 months pregnant with your first child. You feel quite lonely because no one in your friend circle is pregnant. Some of them have children, but they are already toddlers. So a colleague tells you about this new app that connects pregnant women with one another, and you decide to check it out. So you go to the App Store, you download the app, and open it for the first time. So I'm just going to go into the prototype here. So let's take a look. So this is the splash screen. You see Booba, the journey of motherhood. You click through. It's pretty cool. So yeah, you know that the app connects you with other moms. That's what your colleague told you. You're interested in seeing if there's any other features. That's also pretty cool. You can even, upload photo scans. So track your baby bump and how that's evolving on a day-to-day. What else does Booba offer? Oh, that's pretty cool too, that you can access resources on pregnancy topics. So, there's just so much that you need to learn about giving birth and also for the fourth trimester, which you want to be as prepared as you can. Okay, so start my journey. Okay, so you want to join because this is the first time that you're opening the app. Voila. Hey there, help us answer a few questions so we can connect you with the right people. So this is where Booba is trying to personalize the data that it displays within the app. Just trying to see what kind of, what's your current situation. So start now. What stage of parenthood are you at? First time pregnant, so that goes there. Next question. When is your due date? Okay. How old are your children? Well, 0 to 11 because not yet born. Who would you like to connect with? Other pregnant moms because you are feeling pretty lonely, so you want to, meet up and not feel like you're boring your current friends who are not pregnant or don't have children. I am the mother. Voila. So into Booba, let's go. Okay, so there's a bit of an onboarding. This is the diary function where you can add, appointments, scans, etc. It's pretty cool. This is the community part, exactly what you were looking for, and definitely something that you're going to explore first. And this is the sort of main screen for the mom school. I really like that. That's pretty neat to call it a mom school because we are all in a school of life ultimately. Okay, so you decide to go to the community first since that's, your main the main reason why you downloaded the Booba app, and you're going to check out the other features later. So let's see. Bettina, she looks sweet. Let me see if she shared any other information. Super cute. She has a dog, and you have one as well, so that's something that you are a little not worried, but apprehensive about how your dog is going to get to know the little one when he or she is born. Okay, great. She seems super sweet. I'm gonna send her a message and ask to see whether she's free to meet up for tea. So there we go. And yeah, I mean, I think there's other profiles here that you're going to come and look at later. What you really like is this, the fact that, or how Buba called it, you know, my woman's circle. I think that makes me feel very supported. And it's just, yeah, just inclusive in that sense. Yeah, it's very welcoming and homey. Okay, next you have an ultrasound appointment coming up, so you want to put that appointment reminder in your calendar for March 9 from 10 to 11. So there's a pretty big plus button here. I want to add an appointment. 9th of March, exactly, 10 to 11. All right, that's pretty straightforward. I'm going to save that right there. So the last feature in, the mom school section is pretty neat because, there's so much information that you need to digest, how to give your body the right nutrients that it needs for you and the baby. You've also heard about how breastfeeding is or can be a nightmare, and you want to check out what resources they may have on that topic to prepare yourself as much as possible. So yeah, you head to now I'm in the mom school section, and I am going to type in breastfeeding and search for what they have available. So there's a few courses over here. Breastfeeding 101, that sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. And yeah, this looks like a pretty, comprehensive course. It's an hour and 30 minutes of something where you can get more information on what breastfeeding is like. Yeah, so you feel much better already that you have a tea appointment, a rendezvous scheduled with Bettina, and you have a pretty good feeling about Buba. You have to remember to send a thank you note to your colleague for the recommendation. So before you head off to the lake for a swim, you decide to add in a few more details in your personal information in your profile section, update that, and yeah, there's also some symptoms. Yeah, you've been having some back pain, so you decide to add that in over here and save that. And voila, so there's also some, different account sort of settings information that you can adjust here. There's also an edit, your social profile and what you want to display there. And that's about it. So yeah, that was a little story of a 5-month-old pregnant mom looking to find her women's circle. She completed 3 task flows within the Buba app, finding another pregnant mom to meet up with, near her, putting in a doctor's appointment in her calendar, and finding a course about breastfeeding. So I hope that was straightforward. Thank you very much for listening and your time. And yeah, I hope you will recommend the Buba app to friends who have similar needs around you. Thank you for listening.